This is Harpreet Kaur, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And in today's session, we'll learn about Gen pages. We learn how to use Gen pages experience in PowerApps to create the React pages using the data from the Dataverse or other data sources. We will give the agent some sample design and see how this agent can connect to our backend data source. And the scenario I'm going to cover today is ticket booking. So let me switch back to my PowerApp Studio and to show you how it works. So I already have my data source created with first name, destination, travel date, seat number, last name, status, and created on date. I have created my model driven app also. Now I'll show you how to add a gen page. So on click of this add page button, you can see the describe a page which is in preview right now is available here. If you click on here, you can see describe your page here. So here you have to give the prompts and you have to give the image of whatever whatever image you are referencing for to generate. So if you click on add data, you can see attach image. So I will give the image which is ticket booking from the interface. The image I'm using for reference, which contains the columns like destination, select date, seat selection, passenger details, and I will add my table also, which is ticket. Now I have to give the prompt here, which is like build me page using the design attached. The data context should come from ticket and click on generate. Now you can see it already started collecting the data from my image and my data source. Right now it is analyzing, and after analysis it started creating the code which is required for the same layout. Now you can see your interface is already there. What you can do here is you can give this page the name whatever you want. You can also select the icon. Right now I'm using default icon, but you can use a web resource to show any kind of icon. Right now I'm using default and I click on this save. If you want to add some additional details in this page, you can use this prompt here and it will add whatever is required from your side. After saving it, you can publish it. Once this is successfully published, it will show you like this. Now I click on play and you can see this is my application and this ticket booking page is added in site navigation. If I click on here, it will show me the page. Oh, this is my destination This is the date of traveling. This is my seat selection, and this is my name, and I click on submit. So your ticket has been booked successfully. Now you can see I haven't add any new code in the image or any no validation is there, but it is still giving me the correct data and it is successfully booking. So this is how Gen page works. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe and follow for more updates. Thank you.